Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to pin your Gmail on taskbar in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To pin Gmail on taskbar in Windows 11 computer, go to Microsoft Edge browser. You can do it only with Microsoft Edge browser and open your Gmail, and then in upper right corner you will find a three dot icon. Click on three dot icon for settings and more, and then go to more tools. In more tools you will find an option pin to taskbar. Click on pin to taskbar, and then you will find a notification. Click on yes, and now look, your Gmail is now pinned in taskbar. Okay, now open Gmail from your taskbar icon. This is the easiest way to pin Gmail in taskbar on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.